This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a flight plan. Filing a flight plan is a critical step for any pilot, ensuring a safe and organized journey. It's essentially your roadmap through the skies, communicating vital information about your flight to air traffic services. This process isn't just a formality. It's a safeguard that can initiate search and rescue operations if your flight doesn't arrive as planned. When preparing your flight plan, accuracy is paramount. You'll need to include your aircraft's identification, type, and wake turbulence category. Don't forget to specify your departure and destination airports, along with any alternate airports for contingencies. Crucially, detail your planned route, cruising speed, altitude, and your aircraft's fuel endurance. This comprehensive information ensures air traffic control has a complete picture of your intentions. Once your flight plan is meticulously prepared, it's time to submit it. You can easily file your plan by calling 1-800-WX-BRIEF or by using the 1800-WX-BRIEF.com website. After filing, remember to activate your flight plan. This can be done either on the ground before departure or once you are airborne. If you filed online, you might receive a convenient text or email link to activate your plan with just a few taps. Closing your flight plan is just as important as filing it. You must close your plan within 30 minutes of your estimated arrival time to avoid triggering unnecessary search and rescue procedures. This can be done by calling flight service using an online service like 1800-WX-BRIEF.com or through many popular aviation apps. Always ensure you receive confirmation that your plan is closed. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on your journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.